Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating consistent illustrations for your landing page. First, I'll start by creating 2 stylized 3D characters. Next, I'll move on to making 3 icons using reference images and placing them in the course cards. Lastly, I'll work on creating an illustration of a girl for the last content block. Start by heading to the illustration generator. In the description field, just write a straightforward prompt. Choose 3D Casual Lifestyle as the style. After that, click the Generate Drafts button. Click Create More Drafts under the generated images until you find a suitable one. When you are happy with your choice, stop at the selected image and click Finalize to download a cleaner, high-resolution version. I'll also make sure that the background is transparent, so you won't need to remove it manually. I'll update the description slightly for the next image. You can also click Make Variations instead of Finalize, but I was content with one of the options already suggested. When creating the 3D icons, I will use references that are relevant to the card's meaning. No description is necessary. Simply load the first image into the reference image and click Generate Drafts to achieve the desired result. Repeat the same process with the other 2 icons. In the last illustration, I will need a similar image as in the first block. However, I'll change the aspect ratio to 7:4 to create a wider image. The rest of the steps are already familiar to you. Next, we'll insert the resulting illustrations into the already prepared frames. For the icon images, I'll crop the margins around the edges to make it easier to align them with the text. Now you've got the hang of quickly creating illustrations. Check out the link and try out the illustration generator on your own. Best of luck with your creative projects.